One more time.
You wanted to do it.
Oh, it is doing it. Woohoo!
That's because of the traction. The posi traction's working.
I know. Okay, we just did a donut and a donut and a donut. And that was fun, fun, fun.
Fun!
And we were so into our food, we forgot to do the remaining part of our segment. I give my food a 10. Do you give your food a 10?
I give mine an 8.5.
8.5? Well, I give mine a 10.
8.5. Nobody gets a 10 in my book. I'm the Simon Caldwell. I'm the Simon Caldwell of food critics.
Yeah, he is, and I'm the nicer one.
For a food chain, I get an 8.5.
Well, maybe I give it a 9.
Now, when we go and eat something really good at a specialty place, then we will have what we want.
Well, that's true. Maybe I need to change my rating system. That's true. All right, anyway, this is Lisa Storm Herman and Jace Flash Grayson driving home in the supposed storm. Actually, I guess if we didn't have four-wheel drive, it would be bad out, but we do, so haha.
Oh, that bastard's going fast. He's going to kill us.
Oh, that cock blocker. Look at all the snow out there.
Oh, crank the heat.
Oh, crank it. Love all of our viewers. Thank you for tuning in. Dining with the Homos are out.